Los Santos, it's count our blessings time. 1, we don't live in a tornado zone. 2, we can turn right on red lights. 3, we're a long way from Europe, so most of them don't come here on vacation. 4, the sun shines all the time, we live by the beach, and still, every asshole I know complains too much.
Weasel News.
Car carnage in Pillbox Hill.
An upsurge in armed ATM robberies has locals concerned.
Devin Weston buys steak in Richard's Majestic.
As I find street maps sharing pics of you on the toilet.
A car dealership in Pillbox Hill was destroyed yesterday when a joyrider smashed into the showroom. Premium Deluxe Motorsports come under investigation for loan scams and high interest rate financing.
Look out!
Owner, Simeon Mutarian, assured police that this incident was purely an accident and not a disgruntled customer. One man witnessed the carnage.
It was crazy as hell. That dude must have been tweaking. I know I am. You got a washing machine I can take apart?
Following a spate of robberies at ATM machines across Los Santos, the LSPD has issued an official warning urging citizens to stay alert, afraid, and mistrustful of anybody who doesn't look like them.
Los Santos prominent financial guru and investor Devin Weston made a typically unexpected move yesterday. Just as conventional wisdom is moving out of movies in general, and Vinewood Studios in particular, Mr. Weston bought a significant stake in storied but under fire mini-major Richard's Majestic. Head of production, Solomon Richards, son of legendary founder David Richards, welcomed Mr. Weston onto the board.
Technology news.
Web juggernaut iFind is sending cars with sophisticated cameras to take pictures of every street and house in America, including images of the inside of your home. CEO Trip Hammer says that having every home and its content searchable is the future.
This is the future.
Privacy rights advocates were booed by liberal activists who feel everything should be online, free, and searchable.
Weasel News. Confirming your prejudices.
This is Vinewood Boulevard Radio. Some of us still like to party. Hey, lunatic!
People here are so mellow that it's actually making me angrier than normal. I'm totally worried about getting used to it. The only side effects are political.
I just want to get it.
Zero deaths in the history of the world. Excuse me, sir, can I talk to you for a second?
The fuck are you talking about?
I am talking about a hotline straight to heaven that this state makes illegal. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about.
I don't give a fuck about reefer.
No, they rigged the vote. I saw the ballots. It's a lie.
It's democracy at work, amigo.
Democracy can suck my fatty. Democracy only works when it lets intelligent people do what they want. This is tyranny by morons.
Well, I got things to take care of in a little place called reality.
You want a drag?
Nah, I'm not a drug guy.
This isn't bushweed. This is mana. I grow it myself. No paranoia, no weirdness. A passport to nirvana.
Fuck, give me it.
Yeah, here, you'll hardly feel it. Yeah, I smoke all day and I'm fine. It's a pure, mellow high. But I do get concerned about the monsters. Yeah. I mean...
I'm sure they're nothing serious, but, I never let them get too near. Oh, the fuck!
I really screwed myself this time.
Done playing games now! Oh, God, my shrink is gonna have a field day with this! Where are you fuckers coming from? They're inside me! Are we finished yet? Any more of you freaks out there? Oh, shit. Oh, feels so good.
And after that, you see, the liquor companies push for continued prohibition, which is complete insanity. So I take it I can count on your support.
The fuck just happened?
What are you talking about? We discussed globalization, the state.
Stay the fuck away from me.
What? But it's a good cause. A gift from God, to God, by God.